Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode on How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate WestJet Mastercard's account online. The WestJet World Elite Mastercard is the only Canadian airline credit card with a round-trip companion voucher every year with no minimum spend. Now, to activate this card, follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now, let's get started. Now, firstly, launch any preferred web browser on a PC and there on the URL search for Activate WestJet Mastercard, and then you will be able to see all the search results on your screen. Now from there you have to tap on the very first link, let's activate your credit card, and then you will be taken to this type of page. Now here you have to enter your credit card number. Once you're done with typing in your credit card number, tap on Start Activation button at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to the next page where you will need to enter some more information to verify your identity and card details. This information might include your name on the card, the expiration date, and the security code on the back of the card. And depending on the issuer's security measures, you might be asked to verify your identity through additional means such as answering security questions or receiving a one-time verification code through email or text message. And once you've completed all necessary steps and your information has been verified, your WestJet Mastercard should be successfully activated. Now, just like that, you can activate WestJet Mastercard online. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a like. Now, that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.